Okay, first off, I fell in love with this wig from the very moment I saw it. This is the Already wig. Why? Because it is ready to go right out of the box. I mean, it don't get no better than this. The knots are pre-bleached, yes, and the lace is pre-cut. And it's not only just cut straight, it's cut with the lace front scissors. It's 7x5, it's glueless, it has red and blonde highlights, it's loose wave, and again, ready to go. Oh my God. Okay, so this is how it looks on the picture on the Shein website. And before I show you the wig that they sent me, check out this cool accessory toolkit that they sent me. I mean, it's basically everything you need to install your lace front wig, from the glue to the brush to the wax, the remover, everything that you need, you have. And this is the actual wig in hand, how it looks straight out of the box. The colors are on point. Oh my God, I'm so in love with the colors. The curls are so beautiful, but unfortunately, since I have a teeny weeny head, I'm gonna have to size this wig to fit and the curls will get messed up. But it comes with a band, your standard combs, two on the side, one in the back. It has tracks and lace front at the very top front. Oh my God, I love it. This looks amazing. Anyway, so I think I'm going to just put some wand curls in here. And yes, here go the instructions. A wig cap, blah, blah, blah. You know. So let's see what I can do.